Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve more absolute value inequalities. For a refresh on the rundown, I'll drop a link below. Let's take a look at this first one. We have the absolute value of v minus 3 is greater than or equal to 4. So because we have the greater than, or in this case the greater than or equal to symbol, there is a specific method that we use to approach how to find the solution set for this absolute value inequality. And what we do is write out the first solution, and then we account for this being true, or the opposite of this number, so it's negative, and then switching the sign to less than or equal to. So let's go ahead and solve this. We add 3. So I have v is greater than or equal to 7, or v is less than or equal to -1. How this looks on a number line I'll draw a -1 right here, and I'll put 7 up here. This is telling us for any value v that is less than or equal to -1, this will make the inequality true. Or any value of v that is greater than or equal to 7. So realistically, if we plugged in a number between -1 and 7, say if we plug in 0, 0 minus 3, that's -3, the absolute value of that would be +3. 3 is not greater than 4. So that's the reason why we have this inequality solution set as is. Any value that is less than or equal to -1, or any value that's 7 or larger. Because any number in between here is not a solution to this absolute value inequality. Let's look at one more. Over here I have p minus 4 in the absolute value is less than or equal to 3. So what's different here now is we're going to solve this using that compound inequality structure. So I'll have p minus 4 and then account for the negative of whatever number you have over here as well. And solving this as one giant inequality, add 4 to all parts. This cancels out. So p is somewhere in between +1 and +7. How this looks on a number line, we have +1 here, +7 over here. Inclusion, because we have the or equal to representation. That was a very terrible number line representation, like drawing, but the gist of this is saying any value in between 1 and 7 inclusive is a solution to this inequality. So if I plug in 0, this is not going to be a solution to this inequality. 0 minus 4 is -4. Absolute value of that is 4. 4 is not less than or equal to 3. So that's why here we're accounting for any value in between 1 and 7 inclusive. That's the difference between working with the less than versus the greater than, or the inclusions as well, less than or equal to and then greater than or equal to. It depends on whatever symbol you're dealing with and then how you set it up, because that will determine your solution set for the inequality. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.